Imagine waking up one day to find your beloved YouTube channel under siege. Popular tech tutorials you've been sharing for years suddenly yanked offline, labeled as dangerous or harmful, leaving you scrambling to understand why. This nightmare scenario isn't just fiction, it's what tech content creators face recently, sparking widespread panic and suspicion that AI might be the culprit behind these baffling removals. But get this, YouTube is now firmly denying any AI involvement, claiming human oversight was at play. Intriguing, right? Let's dive deep into this unfolding drama, unpacking the details to help even those new to YouTube's world navigate the complexities of platform moderation. It all started when a group of tech-savvy YouTubers noticed something eerie happening to their educational videos. These weren't obscure clips. They were highly sought-after tutorials on topics like troubleshooting computer issues or installing software, content that had been approved and thriving for ages. Suddenly, without warning, these videos were flagged and removed, branded as threats, and appeals seemed to vanish into thin air faster than a human could realistically process them. Creators were left guessing if automated systems, like AI algorithms, were calling the shots, overriding manual reviews in a blink. Then, late last Friday, a YouTube spokesperson stepped in with reassurances. They confirmed that the flagged videos highlighted in reports from Ars Technica had been restored, and vowed to implement measures to prevent similar mishaps going forward. Yet, for the creators, the mystery lingers. YouTube insists that neither the initial takedowns nor the appeal decisions stemmed from automation glitches. But here's where it gets controversial. How can we be sure? Is this just a cover-up to protect the platform's image, or is there more to the story? Let's explore the human side of this tech turmoil. Take Rich White, a skilled computer technician behind the channel CyberCPU Tech. He's no stranger to success. His account, which started as a side gig in 2020, has ballooned into his main income stream, boasting around 330,000 subscribers. White had 2 videos pulled that showcased clever workarounds for installing Windows 11 on hardware that Microsoft officially deems unsupported. For beginners wondering about this, think of it as finding a backdoor to run the latest operating system on older computers that might otherwise be left behind. Perfect for budget-conscious users or those avoiding strict account requirements. These aren't illegal hacks. They often require a valid license, but they help people get the most out of their tech without jumping through hoops. White told Ars that these videos are his bread and butter, reliable hits attracting massive views, especially with each new Windows update. His channel is packed with similar content, and in the past, YouTube even spotlighted one of his tutorials on trending lists, boosting his popularity. But now, with removals targeting fresh uploads, and potentially older ones, risking entire channels built over years, the fear is palpable. Britec09, another YouTuber with nearly 900,000 subscribers dating back to 2009, echoed this in a video warning that one misstep could erase years of hard work instantly. The stakes? Sky high. White cautioned in his own video, titled YouTube Tech Channels in Danger, that unexpected moderation shifts could derail livelihoods. He's already toned down planned posts to dodge penalties, which might curb his reach and earnings. Britec even paused a sponsorship deal amid the uncertainty, lamenting the income loss. YouTube's rules are ironclad. 3 strikes for guideline violations within 90 days can ban an account. Strangely, White dodged strikes, getting only warnings, while Britec faced one. But the lack of clarity leaves everyone on edge. Why deem this content harmful? Creators brainstormed theories. White speculated in his video that AI might misflag these tutorials as piracy, though he argues that's unfair since his guides demand legitimate licenses. He also doubted Microsoft as the puppet master, noting the love-hate dance between tech creators and the giant. Microsoft tolerates these workarounds because they draw in users who might otherwise skip Windows 11. Picture this. Bypassing account locks could lure in newcomers who eventually embrace the full Microsoft ecosystem, becoming loyal customers. White even joked in his video that some users might tire of the hacks and sign up willingly. At least some people will, not me. Microsoft, for its part, didn't comment when asked. Perhaps YouTube's ramping up AI for better violation detection, but with safeguards against overreach? White mused that might explain no strikes on his account. Yet, this is all speculation. YouTube's creator support chat feels suspiciously automated too, with supervisors sounding like bots. Without solid answers, tech tutorial makers, especially those covering repairs or tips, are terrified. We are not even sure what we can make videos on, White lamented. Everything's a theory right now because we don't have anything solid from YouTube. And this is the part most people miss. In a world where tech education drives innovation, could overzealous moderation stifle learning? Ironically, YouTube itself seems to endorse the very content it's removing. White's channel exploded after YouTube featured a similar Windows 11 workaround video on trends, skyrocketing his views and subs. Back then, flags led to quick human reinstatements. Yeah, this is stupid, as reviewers reportedly said. But now, with claims that human reviews caused the issues, fears of arbitrary removals persist. Britec's flag video was similarly dismissed as dangerous. He highlighted the confusion. YouTube's tools for creator inspiration still suggest topics like unsupported hardware installations, yet posting on them risks strikes. This tool was to give you ideas for your next video, Britec pointed out, and if you did this, I can guarantee you your channel will get a strike. Appeals hit a dead end, denied in under a minute, screaming automation. YouTube denies it, but the speed is suspicious. White admitted to self-censorship after fruitless chats with what felt like AI ghosts. He spent an hour and a half arguing a denial once, and after another lightning-fast rejection, he gave up. The panic rippled out, with fans on Reddit urging downloads to preserve tutorials. I've had people come out and say, "This can't be true. I rely on this every time," White shared. This raises big questions. Should platforms prioritize user education over strict rules? Is AI moderation a double-edged sword that saves time but crushes creativity? And what if creators like White and Britec are right? Could this be a subtle way for big tech to control narratives? Do you think YouTube's denial holds water, or is there a hidden agenda? Share your takes in the comments. We'd love to hear if you agree, disagree, or have your own tech horror stories.